I'm going to go over a trailer hitch lock for a 2-inch ball hitch. Now, I have apparently an 1 7/8 hitch, so this doesn't work on mine. But what I'm going to do is just kind of like demonstrate for y'all exactly what you get with this thing. Number one, this thing is indestructible. It looks like a beast. So you take this piece right here and you're going to slide it. See, it doesn't fit in my hitch. You're going to need a 2-inch ball hitch, and it locks in like that. And then what you're going to do, you're going to take this piece and slide over it just like this, and you see that little locking mechanism right there. So it would be like that, and then you see how it kind of locks into place. So imagine this is going to be inside the ball hitch there, so it's inside your trailer hitch. That is heavy, everybody. It's hard holding on to this thing. And then what you're going to do, you're going to take this lock, and this has one of the cooler keys that I've seen. This is this kind of ovalized key right here. It locks in, the key goes in like that, and you just push it in, and you see how it latches, and then it comes off. So what you do, you're going to put that on there like that, put it in there, and then pull that off like that. You got the keys here. You get 3 keys with this thing, and check that out. How are you going to grind that off? You know how long it would take you using a right angle grinder or a hammer to get that off? You could basically have to pretty much destroy the entire trailer hitch to try to get this thing off. This is one of the better kind of theft deterrent like systems I've seen out there, and it weighs probably 20 pounds. It's so heavy. It's a big heavy weight, and it just locks onto something. This would be great for anyone that has like an RV, a pull behind trailer, or something like that. I have a little small kind of like travel trailer, and it won't fit one of these. I'd have to change out my entire kind of mechanism there, so I'm just going with a little pin lock right here. And you could take a hammer and knock this off, but when you hit this thing with a hammer, it doesn't do anything to it. And if you had a right angle grinder, it's going to take you a while to get down in there because you can't get to the actual lock in here. So you'd probably have to be a full-on professional locksmith or have a acetylene torch to get this thing out. And then to take it out, you would take that off. Look how smooth that action is. This is a actual very premium item too. And then this right here goes, then you just pull it out, and you've got it all down in there. I've not seen one that's this well made and this sturdy in my travels, that's for sure. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the locking mechanism for a trailer hitch. See you all in the next video.